Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. This is your astrologer, tarot reader, Shravanti here. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about a series of stocks which have been listed this particular year, but surprisingly, it has gone up. So, when it comes to IPOs, there is a lot of ifs and buts. So there can be stocks when it is launched, it has not gone up, but suddenly it goes up. There can be stocks which goes beyond its bidding price, it goes high, and then it suddenly falls down also. There can be bloated up IPOs also saying, oh, this will go up, like TVS supply chain, everybody said, buy, it's going to go up. But when we check the horoscope of a IPO, we will get even more clear answers. That is what happened in the case of TVS supply chain. When we checked the horoscope, we understood, no, it's not launched in a good time. And then we just waited. It was launched somewhere around 190 or 200. It is still there in that particular range. It's going to be almost 10 months since that IPO came. So this video, I'm going to talk about one such stock which got launched in the beginning of 2024. So this stock is Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. It is actually a machinery, the manufacturing, I think, automation company. So when this was launched, it was launched on January 16th of 2024. So when it was launched, we immediately checked the horoscope. So it was done in a very good horoscope. If you see, the Lagna Kumbha and Lagna has Saturn in it. And it is also running Shani Dasha. So when it was launched, it was in the beginning of Shani Dasha, Shani Bhukti. And it was launched for around 430 rupees or something. And at that time, we got it. We never knew it will go so high. So what we did, we just checked the horoscope and we bought a lot of Jyoti CNC automation. So recently, last month, it had touched 1200 rupees. So imagine from 400, it has reached 1200, almost 300% higher. Now it's still going up. So what are the factors which has to be taken? I am purely talking about astrological aspect only. I am not some kind of investor or not a registered this analyst or something. Just from the astrological point of view, I want to really share certain insights, because when you choose a particular stock, it is divided into technical analysis, fundamental analysis, checking the trend, what is the momentum, what is the trend, how is the sector, and all that is one side. That also has to be checked, of course. But the other side, the time element plays a very important role. When it comes to the time of the IPO launch, it is like the birth time of a baby. So like how our fate is decided with the birth time, that particular stock will definitely get influenced by the time it is launched. So this particular stock has similarly been going up quite well, because it has got launched in a very good time. So that is one of the important factors which I will say is very important when you take a particular stock or when you decide a particular stock. So another stock, one such stock was EMS Limited, which got launched last year, September of 2023. So even when we analyze all these, we also look into the Dasa Bhukti. Sometimes when it gets launched, the Dasa Bhukti can be little weak. But after a year or so, the Dasa Bhukti can change. So that is the case of EMS Limited. It had got launched on September 21st of 2023. At that point of time, it was Tula Lagna and Shani Dasha. So Shani Dasha is the fifth Lord's Dasha. And the Bhukti actually was Shava Bhukti, and then it got changed. So what happened is, when we checked the horoscope, we understood that this stock will go up in certain days. So this recent year, we checked its trend. It was launched at 279 rupees. Right now it is around 650 or something. It's almost got doubled or tripled. So why is this particular IPO trend very important? Because the number of IPOs which gets launched in a year is increasing. And the mainline IPOs, you have to take the mainline IPOs, not the SME IPOs as such. If you take the mainline IPOs, you need to find out which stock is the multi-bagger. That we can find with this technical and fundamental analysis and all that. But horoscope is also one such way that can help you understand whether this particular stock is going to go up or go down. So these two were one of examples, and in the coming series of video we'll be talking about the various other astrological techniques of how to use it in the stock market. But generally, when you take a decision, you can take multiple factors including the time element, which works out wonderfully well. So please make sure you use this in a proper way, but this is not a recommendation video. This is just sharing my experience across. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon, so whenever we post a video, you're able to tune into it. Thank you.